Hello, welcome to Let's Wander. I'm your host Chris Day, and today I'm here with my dad Mick. Down here on the ground, little Rosie. And today we're at Pagham Harbour in Sussex. So we're going to go and have a look around the nature reserve, check out some things. There's lots of bird life and wildflowers and things like that here to see. So with that being said, let's wander. We came in via a little causeway which makes it easier to walk across the stones. As you're walking in, you notice the original sea defences from the 1800s. These failed pretty quickly actually in one of the storms. They were pretty much just wiped out. It's a nature reserve and it's largely salt marsh. This means it attracts a lot of different varieties of birds. In fact, you might actually spot a few large white birds in the distance in certain shots, and these are white egrets. So we come down to the pebbles and the sand, and if you look off into the distance, just over there you can see that there is a tower block and a little white building next to that. Well, that's Bognor Regis, the white building is Butlins. And we just pan around over to this way, you might be able to see a little warning breaker thing sticking out of the sea. And next to that is a mulberry from the D-Day landings in World War II that ended up broken in the water after a storm. And it's been there ever since, and it's quite popular for scuba divers. Rosie's getting excited. And just over into the distance again, the wind farm, which I'll do some zooming in on. Not sure if you can see that. The water is beautifully clear and dead still at low tide, and in amongst the seaweed you can see tiny little fish swimming around. Just off in the distance there, that's Selsey Bill. You may remember from a video about a year ago where we come across a baby seal on the beach. See, Selsey is, I believe, Saxon for Seal Island. Just off over there is a black-headed gull. You dip up and down, probably searching for some of those tiny little fish that we saw earlier. There's loads of amazing flora. There's quite a variety of things, ones that I do know of. So we've got here valerian, and got some kale here, which are very tasty. Pick the right one here. There was something just here as we approached. I saw the movement in the water. There we go again. There's must be some little fish in here.
Yeah, that's a big school.
Oh, there you go, yeah. So all of this green here is all samphire.
Yeah.
Amazingly tasty. So we're walking through Pagham Lagoon from the part of the nature reserve, and we're now walking over into another part, and there's a great big mud flat. So I'll spin you around and you can see that. That takes us to the end of our wander around Pagham Day. Hope you liked it. Hope you like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Join us on our Facebook page. So, from me, Chris, my dad Mick, little Rosie, who's been running around getting dirty and covered in salty water, this was Let's Wander, and we'll see you again soon. Bye 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 bye.